Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez tous très bien. C'est Yacine. Nous sommes le samedi 29. Il est 7h57. Je vous amène avec moi aujourd'hui pour découvrir en fait un nouvel avion. Ça fait environ 2 mois que j'ai pas volé, donc j'espère que ce format-là va vous plaire. Donc c'est ça, on va découvrir un nouvel avion sur lequel j'ai jamais volé. C'est un avion qui est IFR. On va aller à l'aéroport de la Chute. Donc je suis quand même très excité par rapport à ça. Je dis nouvel avion, mais vous savez sûrement au Canada, quand tu as un PPL ou un CPL, tu peux voler n'importe quel type d'avion qui est dit non-performance. Et en l'occurrence, l'avion qu'on va voler aujourd'hui, il est non-performance. Mais c'est toujours bien pour votre propre sécurité et puis certaines écoles le demandent. Vous allez faire ce qu'on appelle un COT, un Check-out on Type. Donc c'est ce qu'on va faire aujourd'hui. Je vous amène avec moi. C'est parti. Il y a beaucoup de vent les amis, et voici l'avion qu'on va voler. C'est un TB10. Je vais essayer de filmer en même temps que hop. On va essayer de rentrer dans cet avion. Vous voyez, c'est un avion qui est quand même assez et nous mettre un bon zoom, bien équipé. Ça a un style d'une Lamborghini. On le voit. Hop, j'essaie de me mettre dedans pour que vous voyez un peu à quoi ça ressemble. On a un beau panneau d'instruments, la manette de contrôle de la puissance. Et puis voilà, la vue de Yankee X-Ray Juliet. On a un bien petit Cessna qui est en train de taxier de l'autre côté.
Yeah, I always wondered how they actually grab the audio from the radio and from.
Yeah, it's going from this one and then
Sick.
and then I can sync them like this. Clap.
Victor Joteco, est-ce que tu as fait fuir le coyote?
Trafic de la chute, Yankee X-Ray Juliet Téléca de la Dune. Bravo, proposition piste de 8. No one is unhappy with that.
Clear.
Maintain center line. Here we go.
Now go left tank, I think. Actually.
Left.
Left tank. Left tank.
For the takeoff.
Yeah, for the fuel. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. La chute Yankee X-Ray Juliet décollage de 8, on monte axe de piste 2000 pieds, on quitte vers chute à plan d'eau. Everything is green.
Alright, that's good. Okay.
Heels on the floor.
Let's do it.
Speed is live.
That's it. It's under line. Good. 65. Leave the ground. That's it.
And we go down a bit, 75, and then we climb.
That's it. Keep it climbing.
And then we let it go in the wind. That's it.
Yeah.
Oopsie. 300, and then we go flaps up.
Yep.
And then we climb up at 78. .290, perfect. Yeah, j'ai genre 15 degrés là pour.
Yeah, it's pretty.
80.
It's pretty nose.
Yeah.
Well, it's cold too. You know, it's cold too. So.
He wants to go là.
He wants to climb.
Okay, flaps up, confirm, and then fuel pumps off,
Yeah,
right?
fantastic PDG. Pumps off. Fuel flow still good. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Tu veux qu'on aille vers chute blanc d'eau?
Yeah. Just
Okay.
shoot the blondeau. And keep climbing up.
Let's see, there is no one here coming up. Okay, perfect.
Trafic La Chute, Québec, Foxtrot uniforme pour vérification radio.
5 radio.
Merci.
So,
Yeah.
on m'entend.
Yeah, it works too. Exactly. First time someone
Yeah.
answered.
I go taxi light off, landing light off, and we maintain.
Good. So we'll climb to 3,000.
Alright,
We'll climb 3,000, and then it's gonna give us some good height for the maneuvers.
perfect. And then here also, là, je réduis l'appui.
No, tu gardes le.
Là, on garde du
Yeah, just
monte.
keep
Okay.
everything
Full forward.
full forward.
For the climb out. Okay.
That's it. Traffic looks good. Okay. That's it. You can take heading 210, I think.
Okay.
They're on 0, yeah. Alright, good stuff. Cool. And you trimmed it nicely, yeah? Good. Okay, cool. So let's do some steep turns. Like, I want you to feel out the plane, get used to how
Okay.
it maneuvers.
So here it's cabin altitude.
Yeah, we'll just go pump on
Fuel
and
pumps
then,
on.
check your draft.
Here left is good.
Yeah,
Okay,
left's
we'll
good.
leave it in the left. And then mix. I can go like that.
Yeah, that's good. That's it.
Does it need
Yeah.
a lot of?
No, you'll feel it out. Feel it out.
Okay.
Have fun with it. But yeah, you're gonna see not too. It turns really nice. That's it. Super smooth.
Yeah, it's really smooth, and then it doesn't move. Like,
Yeah, exactly. It likes a stick where it's
you
super
put it-
stable.
Yeah. It's actually climbing, so there. And then we go.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I'll check the reference here.
Traffic advisory for the Hawkesbury region. This is Yankee X-ray Juliet. We're at 4,000 feet to vertical Saint Eugene practicing maneuvers.
210. Okay, yeah, it does fly.
Yeah, super nice. Cool. I say we go. We'll go a little bit past Saint Eugene, then we'll do some stalls. Okay, we'll do some power off stalls.
Okay.
Just to feel that out. It stalls pretty nicely, like
Pretty even.
pretty even. Actually, well, if you have a little bit of power, it likes to kick. Okay.
On the
Well, on one of the sides.
Okay.
So just be conscious
rudder.
that you might need rudder. You know.
yeah, okay.
Yeah,
And
anticipate
then
that.
you play with the rudder. Let's see the
That's
rudder
it.
here.
Okay.
Feel it in my butt.
Yeah, and recovery. Okay, so yeah, like make sure pitch power. Okay. Letting you know that we're gonna have carb beat on for this because we're
Okay.
gonna go power idle.
Rudder, yeah.
When you have like full power, it might block. Like
So
this
make-
might be a
make-
bit hard. Okay.
Okay,
So,
so,
like, you might have to actually like do this first, then the power. You'll
I
see.
just do like that. I block it to the left and then.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
We gotta use your palm. Alright.
Okay.
Alright. So if you want a quick little demonstration.
All right.
So traffic. Okay. Pump is
Your
on.
plane, yeah.
Yeah, my plane. I'll just go like grab full forward. Oh yeah, just for the demonstration, I'll have it like normal, like that. Okay. I'll try to maintain altitude.
So you have full idle here.
Yeah, full idle. And it stalls like pretty nicely. Okay. So mixture prop power, and you can close the carb if you want.
Carb it in. But here it has...
It kicked a little bit.
To the left, okay.
So yeah, just be conscious of that.
So spin prohibited.
Yeah, no spins.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so your turn.
Okay.
You're playing.
So Cabit is on
Yeah,
here.
just throttle back and then stall it.
Okay. I maintain it here and then just maintain altitude.
Yep.
And then goes.
Yeah. That's it. Okay, let's do a turn towards the Panna Solar. I want you to feel like how the descent rate feels.
Slow flight?
If you want, we can do some slow flight. Yeah.
Okay.
If you want, so we'll go carburet on here. Yeah. Okay. And try to find that you can go power back, yeah, to like
20.
maybe like sub 20 here, and then slow down and find that sweet spot.
And do you go full flaps or just landing?
We could take off. Just take off flaps.
Just take off flaps?
Yeah, just take off flaps. It's gonna be nice.
Okay, white arc.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll try to go like 60 knots maybe. Where's the bottom of the green? I can't tell.
It's 60, yeah.
60 is the bottom of the green? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we'll go like 65 probably. Yeah. Something like that. Just above the green.
Yeah, we have some
Buffer.
yeah. I would think we will hear also the stall buzzers. So.
Yeah.
Look outside. Here we go. Go just a bit here.
Yeah.
Tack bit nil stream.
Nice.
Okay, yeah, 65 here.
Information passée, uniforme avec temps, vertical Saint-Gérard, direction Lacagile, à 1200.
Let's go, we're losing some altitude, more power.
Cool. It was good?
Yeah,
it's pretty
yeah. Don't have much authority here now.
Yeah.
So,
nice.
Okay, let's see.
Started doing a turn, let's go to Vanklik.
Now more power. Yeah, it flies nicely.
Yeah, it flies super nice. Okay, cool.
See?
Yeah, and we can recover now if you want.
Okay, so here.
Yeah, start adding some power and lowering the nose. Put it to 20. Well, full power. Yeah.
Full power?
Yeah, full power. Yeah. It's okay, forget it for now. We'll just get the flaps up.
And flaps up, not busting the speed.
Exactly, that's good. Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's okay. Sure. Yeah, so here you need to bring this back first.
Before.
And then bring it back. Yeah. So 23. And I'll go 2350 here. 2450.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. Nice. Okay, cool. We'll test we'll check the glide, okay? The best glide.
Best glide, see?
So
okay.
here, check no power here. Engine failure.
Okay.
What do we do?
And then do you pitch for 86 knots?
Yeah.
And then it says idle cutoff mixer, which is red. So
yeah, because you could just then you try to crack, then you reintroduce it for the restart.
To restart, yeah. So
we
have fuel pumps here.
I'll go engine failure, go carburet on, pump on. Okay, change tanks. Mags
here we have we go on the red.
That's it. And then you can we'll pick a field and we'll try to
check. Okay, here. Then
in.
wind milling, so no need to crank. We can crank the engine, and then engine restart, no restart, and then now we can just secure the engine. So make sure idle cutoff. Fuel pumps here off. Here off. Everything is on off. We keep the master domain for. And then we look outside to see where we can land. So we have. On peut prendre celui-là.
Ok, scoop. La vert, hein?
Ouais, exact.
Ok, sick.
So no.
That looks good, actually.
Then we could go here. Let's trim for... let's see if we can make it there.
I thought it was good.
What's the rule of thumb? So, c'est moitié du haut-banc pour...
yeah, I'm not too sure actually, but I'm not too sure, because I don't find it as much, like, I don't have a rule of thumb in mind.
For this one, yeah.
For this one, but
I think we can.
You want to pick something close, like that was perfect, I think we're going to make it, especially if you cut in a little bit, yeah.
Let's look,
that's it.
Fine for early 6. I'm going to just put a bit.
Yeah, let's do like a little warm-up actually,
yeah.
But yeah, you want to take something like pretty tight within your reach, okay?
Comme ça,
So even now, we might not make it.
Yeah, we're sinking, right?
We're sinking pretty.
But I think we can make it. I think we're still at 1500 now.
You can cut in a bit more even.
Yeah, just go straight in, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's quite
okay, yeah. And you could even even bring it up a bit more, so like 75.
Okay, so
got the helicopter inside of it.
Oh,
You see him?
I see him. Yeah. I think we can make it, so I think
yeah,
we can go close now.
Yeah. Well, that's a bit early.
Information trafic,
go.
Joliette, 772,
Pitch up, right?
présentement,
yeah, and you could like...
10
Okay,
au sud-ouest de Joliette, à 1800 pieds, en direction de Trois-Rivières. Gare du Québec, November Oscar.
Yeah, we would have made that.
Yeah, we would have made it.
Okay, you can pitch up there, yeah. So no traffic conflict, and you could head towards Hawkesbury or something. Yeah.
Okay.
Climb to 1,500 or something like that. I'll go back to the chute.
Alright.
Good stuff.
I'm gonna go fuel pumps off.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do it.
La chute Yankee X-ray Juliette vertical 5, les piles 200 pieds, point long vers R28. It does go fast. So,
yeah, right,
il va vite vraiment.
Ouais, c'est 110, hein?
Ouais. Ok, pieux, d'accord. He's on the floor. Marcieux, pop check. Pop, perfect. Okay.
Right, look, see, when it's off, it's like really bad. When it's on, there you go. Let's go, okay. Alternator on.
Oops. La chute Yankee X-ray Juliette avant R28.
Trafic de la chute, ici Copter 66, Foxtrot Lima Bravo India, présentement 3000 nautiques. Au sud des installations en rapprochement, j'aimerais savoir le circuit, c'est 2-8 aujourd'hui.
Let's keep it tight.
Yeah, that's good.
Trafic de la chute, hélicoptère 66, Foxtrot Lima Bravo India, je vais intégrer en long vent arrière, piste 2-8, 1200 pieds.
La chute Yankee X-ray Juliette, base gauche 2-8. Elle est assis, ok.
And the through traffic, jet prop, Golf, Kilo, Zulu X-ray, taxiing out for departure runway 28, B, flight level straight out.
Ok, quelque chose à Alpha, je sais.
Alpha, non.
Oui, c'est Alpha.
Oh, je le vois pas.
Je vois pas, ouais, c'est...
La personne en finale.
Ok. Oh, il va sur Alpha.
Ok. La chute Yankee X-ray Juliette, on tourne en finale à 2-8.
Okay, so slow down. Try to slow down a bit more. 75.
75 here, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna angle out to give him some time.
You like it here, right?
Well, I just look, il est sur la piste.
Shoot Kilo, Zulu X-rays on the roll, 2-8.
Okay, so
yeah.
Trafic de la chute, hélicoptère 66, Foxtrot Lima Bravo India, je vais intégrer en long vent arrière, piste 2-8, 1200 pieds. Ça va être pour un refuel de jet A.
Okay.
Nice,
Up comes quite some altitude.
Yeah.
75.
To let it drift you. Let it drift you.
Yeah. So manche dans le vent puis du côté opposé, on se met un petit sub en fait.
So you can start a little bit more actually.
Yeah.
Keep that nose wheel straight.
Ça fait de la chute, hélicoptère à 66, Foxtrot Lima Bravo India, en long vent arrière, piste 28.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's straight actually, the wind is
Yeah.
straight here.
Good.
Okay, let us see the round out.
Yeah, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. A bit more, yeah. Wait. Now, yeah, bring it flat. Good. Bit closer, bit closer. Okay, hover. Hover. Beautiful.
Trafic juste remet au Hôtel Tango. On est sur Bravo, on va traverser la 28 pour
We
attendre.
go. And now we can
That's it. Ah, prends ton temps.
do not try the brakes.
Yeah, the nose wheel is very squishy, okay?
Okay.
So yeah, take your time
To
bring
bring
it.
it. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. And to keep that back, like you did is good. You get that back pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
La chute Yankee X-ray Juliette à l'écart de la 28 sur Delta.
Trafic de la chute, hélicoptère R66, Foxtrot Lima Bravo India, je tourne en finale.
So
Pump off, taxi light off, pitot heat off, carb heat off.
La
Thumbs up.
chute Golf de Louis et Juliette, chef radio.
Okay, and then
5-5 la radio.
Merci beaucoup.
Alright, we can circulate. Yeah, so it's much better than the first one.
yeah.
Yeah, super nice, like runway center.
Now
line.
it's yeah.
Yeah.
Mais je pense que le vent venait aussi.
Yeah, the
plein-
conditions got a little bit easier.
plein,
too.
yeah.
Well, but your control is better.
Ouais.
Like the steep turns and the stall, the slow flight, they help you.
Ne le laisse pas, ouais, c'est ça.
Feel
But
it
you
out
have
more,
to control the plane. Yeah. You fly the plane.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
C'est pas
Don't
lui
let
qui
it
te
fly you,
vole.
that's it.
Yeah, exact. Mais en même temps, il vole bien, ça.
Yeah.
Pas ça.
Ok guys, il est 11h30, je viens tout juste de finir mon vol sur Yankee X-Ray Juliette. Écoutez, c'est un bel avion. Honnêtement, il vole très bien, puis ça a été un bon vol avec William. So if you are seeing this, William, thank you very much. Donc je pense que vous aurez vu la vidéo un peu comment ça s'est passé. Puis j'aime bien comment l'avion vole. Quand tu es habitué à un avion complexe comme les multimoteurs, celui-là je pense que tu te retrouves assez facilement. J'espère que vous aurez apprécié cette vidéo là. Donc je pense que vous l'avez entendu de la conversation. Probablement que je vais aller faire un circuit IFR à Mirabel prochainement pour me familiariser un peu avec l'appareil, comment il se comporte et tout. Mais j'espère que vous avez apprécié la vidéo. C'était Yacine et puis je vous dis à très bientôt. Peace.